Imagine waking up in the morning and your knees feel stiff. Your hands ache a little when you try to hold your cup of tea. You tell yourself, maybe it's just age. But what if it's not just age? What if something on your plate every day is quietly hurting your joints, making them weaker day by day, without you even realizing it? Today, let's talk about those silent foods that most people over 60 still eat, thinking they're harmless, but they're slowly damaging the joints. I'm going to explain each one in a simple, friendly way, and then tell you what you can eat instead to keep your joints strong and pain-free. So sit back, relax, and let's begin. 1. Processed breakfast foods, the hidden salt trap. Many seniors start their day with ready-to-eat cereals, toast with spreads, or processed breakfast sausages. They taste light, but they're packed with hidden salt and preservatives. Too much sodium dries out the cartilage, that soft cushion between your joints, and when that cushion thins, bones start rubbing against each other. That's where pain begins. If you notice swelling in your fingers or knees after breakfast, your salt intake might be the reason. So, what's better? Try warm oatmeal, cooked with milk or water. Add a few crushed walnuts and a spoon of honey. It helps reduce inflammation and keeps joints flexible. 2. White bread and refined carbs, the sugar storm. White bread, pasta, biscuits, and cakes, they taste comforting, but inside your body, they quickly turn into sugar. And sugar is one of the biggest enemies of aging joints. It triggers something called glycation, which stiffens the collagen around your joints and makes movement painful. If you've been feeling more stiffness lately, especially in your knees and back, try switching from white bread to whole grain bread, oats, or quinoa. Your joints will thank you in a few weeks. 3. Processed cheese and dairy, the inflammation trigger. Cheese slices, flavored yogurts, and milk powders often contain additives that create inflammation. As we age, our body becomes more sensitive to these ingredients, and the result is joint swelling, stiffness, or mild chronic pain that never goes away. Now, this doesn't mean you should avoid dairy completely. Just choose simple, natural options, like plain yogurt or a small glass of warm milk with turmeric at night. Turmeric milk helps reduce morning stiffness and support cartilage repair naturally. 4. Red meat, the silent acid builder. Many people over 60 love having beef or lamb occasionally, but frequent use builds up uric acid in the joints. When uric acid crystals form around knees or ankles, it leads to painful inflammation, especially if you already have arthritis or gout. The better choice? Try grilled fish like salmon or mackerel twice a week. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids that protect your joints and even help rebuild lost cartilage over time. 5. Sugary drinks and artificial sweeteners, the collagen killer. Soda, energy drinks, or even diet cola might look harmless, but they rob your body of calcium and weaken bone structure. Artificial sweeteners confuse your metabolism and lead to chronic inflammation. Over time, this affects your ligaments and makes joints crack or pop more often. Replace them with herbal teas, ginger, chamomile, or green tea. They're natural anti-inflammatories and help your body recover from everyday wear and tear. Now let's talk about what you should eat, the natural foods that help repair cartilage, reduce stiffness, and bring back flexibility. Broccoli. 1. Leafy greens, the anti-inflammation shield. Spinach, kale, and collard greens are rich in vitamin K and antioxidants. These nutrients reduce inflammation and protect joint tissue from wear and tear. If you can, try to include a small serving daily, maybe in soups or light stir-fry. Fish. 2. Fatty fish, the joint protector. As mentioned earlier, salmon, tuna, and sardines are your joint's best friends. Their omega-3 fatty acids reduce swelling and even help your body rebuild lost cartilage. If you don't eat fish, try flax seeds or chia seeds. They offer a similar benefit naturally. Garlic and onions, nature's painkillers. Both contain sulfur compounds that help your body produce collagen, the material that cushions your joints. Regular use in meals improves mobility and reduces stiffness. Just a small clove of garlic daily can make a big difference over time. Men, farmer. 4. Berries and citrus fruits. Vitamin C for strong joints. Strawberries, oranges, and blueberries are packed with vitamin C, which strengthens connective tissue and prevents cartilage breakdown. They also reduce oxidative stress, one of the hidden reasons behind chronic joint pain. Coconut. 5. Olive oil and nuts, natural lubricants. Olive oil, almonds, and walnuts help keep your joints well lubricated from within. They lower inflammation and provide the healthy fats your body needs to stay flexible. Replace butter or margarine with olive oil. Even that small change makes a big difference. Herb. 6. Herbal support. Turmeric, ginger, and green tea. Turmeric's curcumin fights joint inflammation. Ginger improves circulation, and green tea's antioxidants protect your cells from damage. Together, they work like a natural joint repair system. Drink a warm cup of turmeric or ginger tea before bed. It relaxes your joints and gives you peaceful sleep. So, if you're over 60 and struggling with stiffness, remember, you have control. Your kitchen can either be your best friend or your biggest problem. Remove the silent foods, add the healing ones, and within a few weeks, you'll feel the change. Your steps will get lighter, your joints calmer, and your mornings brighter. Take care of your body. It's been carrying you all your life. It deserves gentle care now. Thank you for watching, my friend. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who needs it. Tell us in the comments, what joint problems are you facing and what has helped you so far? Your experience might inspire others too. And don't forget to